Hi scholars, hope you're all doing well and staying safe and practicing social distancing. I know this has been a crazy time that we're all adjusting to, but hopefully everyone's doing well. Appreciate those of you who have reached out to me already on Zoom or email or Remind. So thank you, glad to hear all your voices and see your faces. And again, hope that everyone's doing well. So for this week, what I'd like to do is review stuff that we've already done in class, exponential functions. Hopefully, if you've been paying attention to the news with the coronavirus, you've heard or noticed that unfortunately the virus is picking up at an exponential rate, which means it is increasing fast. I know New York has been a huge hotspot, unfortunately, over the past couple of days. Sounds like down in Louisiana, that's going to be another spot where things are really taking off very quick. So I wanted to just go over a few things just because I know a lot of times people say, well, am I ever going to use this again? And I know I've heard a lot of things on TV or online where a lot of math has been involved. So when we're dealing with exponential functions, and that happens to be the curve that's here in yellow, or curve B, you can tell that how quick, slow something may go and then how quick it escalates as opposed to something that's linear that's going to go as a line. Or something's just kind of going at a constant rate. So as you're dealing with your formulas again, I know it's been a little bit, something's exponential, the main formula we're using is y equals ab to the x, where a is whatever your initial value is, b is your growth factor. And I've heard over the past several days with all the information that this virus seems to be doubling every 3 days, so that would be the b. And then the x is the amount of time that's used. And then again, if something is linear, that's y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope, and then b is the y-intercept. So that information, as you look at the choice board for the week, same type of format where you have an m, a t, and an h. What I did this time for the m for the math is I put 3 different things. So there's an article here. If you click on the link, it'll open up. Your second option is the second article titled The U.S. Healthcare System. And the third one is about an 8-minute video on YouTube that you can watch. And if you can just pick one of those, talks about math and its relationship to the coronavirus. And then if you can, after either reading the article or watching the video, if you can go over to the application and just answer those questions, you can do it here or in Google Slides if you want to. So if you're choosing this first video on the coronavirus with math, if you can answer these application problems here. If you decide to do the middle video that's on the U.S. healthcare system, if you can answer these questions here. And then if you decide to watch the YouTube video, if you can answer these questions here, those will correspond. And then the rest of the project, the 30 and the H for home, you can show or document within here if you want to, or again, you can email something to me or video, anything like that. So for 30, it's a 30-minute workout video if you want to do that, if you need to stay fit. If guided meditation maybe is something that you want to try or do, there's a 30-minute one on that if you want to. Or you can select a TED Talk, and I posted the link here if you want to, and pick any video on there from a TED Talk that you want. And then if you can just summarize what the TED Talk was about in 30 words, that'd be great. And the last part is something hopefully you can do at home. You can explain how the coronavirus has impacted your family. If you want to, you can write a poem or a song that somehow talks about what life has been over the past 2 weeks. Or if you want to, you can make a board game or complete any puzzle with anyone that's at home. So hopefully that's not too much work. Hopefully it connects things that we talked about this year in class to the coronavirus. Again, hopefully everyone is staying safe. Reach out to me if you need anything on Zoom. I'll post my hours where I'm available for that if you want to. If you want to email me or send me messages on Remind, that'd be great too. Hope everyone is safe. Take care and talk to you soon.